Welcome back to Mech Tech Bro. Before watching this video, make sure you have already seen JavaScript for Beginners part 1 to part 5.0 because this video is the continuation of the part 5.0. Today you are watching JavaScript for Beginners part 5.1. So let's continue learning step by step and make sure your basics even stronger. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support the channel. Today's topic is about nested if statements. Let me write a heading by using a single line comment. Okay. Nested if statement. Okay. First, let me explain you what is nested if statement. See here, a nested if statement is an if statement inside another if statement. Don't worry, I will explain you clearly here in a Visual Studio Code. We use it when we want to check one condition first and inside that check another condition. Okay, don't worry, let me show you here. First let me write the syntax, then I will explain you after writing the syntax. See here, syntax. Let me use the single line comment. Syntax. Okay, now I am writing the syntax. If now condition 1 curly brackets. See here, inside this if condition 1 I am writing one more if condition. That is what the nested if is. See here, one more if condition. If condition 2 for your understanding I am writing the syntax, just note it down. See here, code runs when the both conditions are true. Okay, keep that in mind. Code runs when the both conditions are true. This is the syntax. Okay, now let me use the multi-line comment here as an asterisk symbol for stopping it, asterisk and slash. Okay, now I can write the code. Let me show you with the example so that you guys can understand it properly. Let username equal to, let me use the double quotes here. First let me write the code, then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. Okay, admin let password equal to, using the double quotes, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now I'm going to give the if condition here. If statement, if, let me use the condition username triple equal to admin. See here, you might get it out why I am using triple equal to. Triple equal to is nothing but it is a strict comparison, like it checks with data type also. Okay, keep that in mind. Don't worry, I will explain you clearly what is the use of single equal to, double equal to and triple equal to in next coming session. Okay, don't worry about that. But here I am using triple equal to because it is a strict comparison. It checks with the data type. Keep that in mind. Okay. Okay, let me write the code first, then I will explain you clearly. inside this if condition, condition 1, I am using one more if statement inside it. That is what the nested if. Okay, if password triple equal to 1234. Let me use the curly brackets here. Console.log. Okay, let me use the double quotes. Login successful. First, let me explain you what is this code about. First, it checks if username is admin or not. See here, first if condition I provided, username triple equal to admin, that is a string. The same way here I provided let username equal to admin. So both conditions are true. So then it goes inside the if second condition. If true, then it goes to the second condition. Then it checks the password. Password triple equal to 1234. It is also in a string. Check here, both data types are same. So it's a strict comparison, right? Triple equal to. So now it's a true. Then it prints the login successful. Now check here. If both must be true, then only it prints the login successful. Okay. First, let me run the code. Okay. Now go to the index.html. Right click. Open with the live server. Okay. After opening with the live server, right click here. Go to inspect and console. Now check here. It's a login successful. Okay, I hope you understand what is nested if statement. Let's move to the next statement, which is the ternary operator. First, let me use the single line comment here for writing a heading of that. Ternary operator. Okay. Topic is about ternary operator. Ternary operator means the ternary operator is a short and simple way of writing if-else statement. If it checks a condition and based on true or false, it returns a value. Don't worry, I will explain you clearly by using an example. First, let me write the syntax, then I will explain you with the example. Okay. First, let me write the syntax here by using a single line comment. Let me use the single line comment. Syntax. Okay, remove the syntax. Okay, remove the single line comment. Now check here, syntax. Let me write the condition. 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 Value underscore if underscore true. Now see here, this is the syntax. See here, it checks a condition and based on the true or false, it returns a value. Okay, don't worry, let me explain you with a small example. Let me use a multi-line comment here. For stopping it, use asterisk and slash. Now I can write the code. Okay, let me write the code first. Let age equal to take a random age, it doesn't matter. Let me take 20 here. Let result equal to, this is the condition. See here, age is greater than or equal to 18. Let me use the symbol. Adult and or minor. Okay, let me capitalize A. Okay, console.log result. See here, if age is greater than or equal to 18, it prints adult, otherwise it prints minor. Ternary is a best for simple decisions in one line. That is what it is about. See here, let me run this condition. Let me run the code and check here. It's adult. Okay, suppose if I provide the age is 15. Now let me run the code here. Now check here, it's minor, because condition is false, so it prints minor. If the condition is true, it prints adult. If the condition is false, it prints minor. See here, you might get it out. What is this question mark here? This question mark comes after the condition. Okay, if the condition is true, JavaScript prints the value after this. What is the value after this? It's a adult, so it prints adult. If the condition is false, it goes to the value after this. After adult, what is the value here? Minor, so it prints this. If condition is true, it prints adult. If condition is false, it prints minor. Okay, ternary is the best for simple decision in one line. That is what this ternary about. I hope you understand what is the use of ternary statement. If you enjoyed the content in today's video, please like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to create more videos. Thank you.